Welcome to TOS Hub Hardware Review. Huawei company announced its new smartphones on 22nd October 2024. In this video, we will review the Huawei Nova 13 Pro hardware specifications. There are 10 main categories and over 60 subcategories for in-depth hardware specification analysis. The rank of each hardware specification will be calculated against already available smartphones in the market. Ultimately, we will know about the class of smartphones like low-end, mid-end, high-end, flagship, or premium. Let's proceed to first category, about design factors and build materials. Huawei Nova 13 Pro design and build material hardware rank bases on 7 parameters. It includes weight, dimensional volume, cosmetic colors, ingress protection level, front glass material, middle frame material, and back cover material. By comparing the design and build material specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 42% scale. Second category is display. Huawei Nova 13 Pro display hardware rank bases on 10 parameters. It includes form factor, technology type, size, resolution, refresh rate, peak brightness, screen-to-body ratio, number of colors, pixel density and other display features. By comparing the display specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 60% scale. Proceeding to third category, which is about camera. Huawei Nova 13 Pro camera's hardware rank bases on 5 parameters. It includes wide camera, telephoto camera, ultra-wide camera, macro or depth camera, and front camera. By comparing the camera specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 71% scale. Fourth category is about chipset. Huawei Nova 13 Pro chipset hardware rank bases on 5 parameters. It includes CPU high, mid, and low clocks, CPU performance cores and efficiency cores, CPU ARM architectures, and GPU clock. By comparing the chipset specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 23% scale. Next is fifth category, about RAM and storage memories. Huawei Nova 13 Pro RAM and storage hardware rank bases on 2 parameters. It includes processing memory capacity, processing memory generation, storage memory capacity and storage memory generation. By comparing the RAM and storage specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 31% scale. Proceeding to sixth category, which is about connectivity. Huawei Nova 13 Pro connectivity hardware rank bases on 10 parameters. It includes cellular network, satellite system, navigation system, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, infrared, NFC and USB port. By comparing the connectivity specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 66% scale. Seventh category is about sensors. Huawei Nova 13 Pro sensors hardware rank bases on multiple sensors. It includes an accelerometer, ALS, compass, optical fingerprint sensor, gyroscope, laser sensor and proximity sensor. By comparing the sensor specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 70% scale. Now we are moving to 8th category, about battery and charging. Huawei Nova 13 Pro battery and charging hardware rank bases on 6 parameters. It includes battery type, battery capacity, wired charging power, wireless charging power, reverse charging power and charging adapter. By comparing the battery and charging specifications with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 47% scale. Ninth category is about multimedia. Huawei Nova 13 Pro multimedia hardware rank bases on 6 parameters. It includes photo, video, music, gaming, and other multimedia features. By comparing the multimedia specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 39% scale. Let's proceed to 10th category, about operating system and user interface. Huawei Nova 13 Pro OS and UI rank bases on 6 parameters. It includes the operating system, OS UI version, mobile service framework, future major updates and security updates. By comparing the OS UI specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 50% scale. All categories average rank. By combining all categories, the average score is 50%, which means the Huawei Nova 13 Pro hardware specification value stands at level 50 out of 100. Final conclusion. According to the smartphone class table, the Huawei Nova 13 Pro is a high-end, entry-level smartphone device. Limitation. There are some features which are not available in Huawei Nova 13 Pro, includes as no Google Play services, no eSIM, no barometer, no wireless charging, no 8K video recording. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do support us by liking, subscribing and sharing this video. Your feedback is important to us. About this video, share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video. Take care.